Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I invite you to journey into the deep recesses of the human mind, the hidden forces that shapes our fears, desires, and actions. Our topic is psychoanalytical criticism, the unconscious in Shakespearean tragedy. At the heart of this critical lens lies one of the most fascinating ideas in modern thought, the unconscious mind. A realm of repressed memories, unresolved conflicts, and unspoken desires. And who better to explore this through than Shakespeare, playwright who masterfully painted the psychological depth of his tragic characters. Psychoanalytical criticism stems from the theories of Sigmund Freud, who proposed that human behavior is profoundly influenced by unconscious drives, especially those rooted in early childhood trauma and repressed desires. Freud's concepts like the id, ego, and superego, the Oedipus complex, repression, and dream symbolism provide tools to interpret literature not merely as stories but as expressions of inner psychological turmoil. Later, thinkers like Jacques Lacan and Erik Erikson expanded these ideas, linking language, identity, and unconscious desire. When applied to literature, and particularly to Shakespearean tragedy, psychoanalytical theory helps us to peel back layers of character, motivation, and explore what lies beneath the surface. Let us begin with Hamlet, Shakespeare's most studied psychological character. Freud argued that Hamlet suffers from the Oedipus complex, a subconscious desire for his mother, Gertrude, and rivalry with his father figure, Claudius. Hamlet delays avenging his father's murder not because he is indecisive, but because Claudius has acted on Hamlet's own hidden desires. He has killed the father and married the mother. Quote from Hamlet, "Seems, madam, that is I know nor seems." Hamlet's obsession with Gertrude's sexuality is deep rage toward Claudius, and his bouts of madness can all be seen as symptoms of internal repression. His famous soliloquies, "To be or not to be," echo the unconscious struggle between life, death, action, and paralysis. Hamlet's unconscious mind wars with his rational ego, resulting in tragic inaction.